How to use ChatGPT voice chat on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT new voice chat feature on your PC. This feature was previously available on mobile app, but now it's rolled out to desktop too, making it easier to have natural back and forth conversation directly from your computer. And here is how it works. So here, once you are inside the ChatGPT chat, look for the voice mode button, and this is where it's currently located. So go ahead and click it. Now my mic cut in and out a little here, but once activated, you will be able to start speaking directly to ChatGPT, and once activated, you can interact with the ChatGPT like a real person, and the ChatGPT will respond to you, and you can freely talk, interrupt, and have pretty natural conversation just like chatting with a real friend. And that's it. That's how you can use ChatGPT voice chat on PC. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.